Before Instacart hit its $9.9 billion IPO, they quietly rebuilt the entire company into an advertising platform, the part they kept out of the headline narrative and buried in the S1 footnotes. Most people saw a grocery delivery startup fighting razor-thin margins. Delivery businesses don't scale profitably. Everyone knew that. Grocers were quietly building their own apps. The model looked like it was racing toward irrelevance. But that's not even the part that made them billions. By 2022, Instacart was generating $740 million from advertising alone. They called it Carrot Ads, a platform letting brands like Pepsi pay to reach shoppers at the exact moment of purchase intent, not browsing, deciding. Those ads carried margins above 70%. Here's what nobody caught. The delivery side was barely breaking even. But that was the architecture. Delivery wasn't the product. It was the machine that manufactured the real product. Every completed order trained their intent model. Instacart knew not just what you bought, but what you almost bought, what you searched and skipped. Remember that buried footnote? This is what it was protecting. Consumer goods companies paid a premium for that signal. Every quarter, quietly. No press release. The playbook isn't delivery. It's using a commodity service to build proprietary data no competitor can touch. The real question: which business in your market is already sitting on the same asset?